It's not hard. Customer service is a skill that can be developed. Hi, Joe Szynski here with BrainShare Coach and brainSHARE.online, your business education platform. I'm going to talk today about customer service. How many of you actually train your team on customer service? How many of you actually train your team on how they're supposed to greet when somebody comes in the door? How they're supposed to answer the phone? Have they been trained on the different personality profiling, on how to communicate? Training for your employees in customer service is a must-have. I'm going to quote some interesting stats here. Is that okay? 46% of people would rather go to the dentist than call customer support. Holy cow. What happens when they're willing to, 86% are willing to change brands because of bad customer service. They're willing to change companies, 83% willing to change companies. 75% are willing to share a good experience. What's your company doing? Is it giving an exceptional experience or is it giving crappy experience? Training is the easiest thing to do to improve your customer service. Some other interesting stats. So what happens when customer service is bad and why does customer service bad? Well, number one is bad policies. When was the last time you reviewed your customer service policies? When was the last time you actually pretended to be a customer? I do that on a monthly basis to check my processes. So you should be doing that too. Pretend, do a secret shopper. Call your company. Find out what really transpires. Making customers wait. Boy, I don't know about you, but after I got out of the Army, I didn't want to wait in line at all. So what are you doing to improve and minimize the wait time for your client? Inconsistent information, duplicate paperwork, poorly trained employees. That's the easiest one to fix. Training your employees on customer service is a must. And that's everybody, not just the people that answer the phone, not just the lobby personnel, but everyone within the company. Because everyone is a representation of your company. Whether they're dealing with vendors, whether they're dealing with suppliers. You want to have that experience, that positive experience. So customer training, customer service training is critical across the board. And when I say within the company, I mean the entire company. Because if we think about who our customers are, well, our customers may be internal or external. Example, the finance department, their customer may be the sales department. Or within the operations department, it may be supply room or the factory floor or different areas. But within your company, you've got customers that are internal and then you've got your external customers, your suppliers, your vendors, your customers that actually pay you money. Those are the ones you really want to impress. And it's not hard. Little practice, just like any other training, sales training, marketing, everything. Customer service is a skill that can be developed, and brainSHARE.online, your business education platform, is here for you to help with that. Now, if you want to talk about some books on how to increase and improve your customer service, Excellence Wins, one of my favorites. Of course, Zappos Delivering Happiness. It's a classic. And one of my favorites, A Complaint is a Gift. You're going to get complaints. It's how you deal with them and how well your customer service understands how to deal with them that completely changes the game. You can have somebody, things always happen, okay? There's going to be problems, there's going to be process breakdowns, but how you respond to those situations is a key customer service. And you can actually have a customer become happier after the experience than before. If you're not providing customer service training for your employees, it's a must. And that's for every employee. My name's Joe Szynski, and brainSHARE.online is your business education platform.